Hi, I'm Alan McKay. I've just been talking at the Ballarat update on the latest developments with Predicta B. The main thing this year that we want to make sure that the consultants using the service understand is that they need to add stubble to the Predicta B sample. If there's stubble in the paddock, then we need to get a representative sample in the Predicta B sample so we can reliably detect crown rot in particular. But it also helps with the detection of take-all and other stubble-borne pathogens such as common root rot. The reason that we need to do this is that we've discovered that a lot of consultants, when they collect soil samples, have defaulted to using the soil nutrition sampling strategy, and that involves avoiding plant debris. And we've now got good information to show that this greatly reduces the ability to detect crown rot risk in particular in the paddock, but it could also impact on things like take-all. The other information that's starting to emerge is that we're getting enough samples in now to get a feel for the seasonal trends, and that this year it looks like the main diseases that we need to be focused on, particularly in the southern region, are rhizoctonia and crown rot. But there's also a significant number of paddocks with a risk of take-all as well. So if growers and consultants are considering putting cereals into paddocks that have a high probability of having these diseases, then Predicta B can help identify the risk. The other information that's coming out as well is that CCN levels, particularly in the southern region, are not very high, but we are picking a consistent low frequency of CCN in the paddocks, and that should serve as a reminder to people to make sure that they continue to use resistant varieties to keep the populations under control. In the western region, the main diseases over there that are emerging as significant are rhizoctonia again. Crown rot also has been detected in quite a significant number of samples, and the take-all levels in West Australia this year are amongst the highest that we've seen in Australian cropping paddocks for some time. So a lot of the levels we're picking up are not unlike those we used to see in New Zealand when we were doing work in the New Zealand cropping area. There's also a significant number of paddocks with Pratelanchus levels that would be of concern in some rotations as well. In the northern region, the main focus of Predicta B is on looking at the Pratelanchus levels, and the numbers to date suggest that thorny eye in particular is similar to last season, maybe slightly higher incidence. We're also getting results on crown rot as well, and there's certainly a number of paddocks out there, probably slightly higher than last year, with a significant crown rot risk as well.